Hey guys, it's Katie Austin here and welcome to your daily workout. Today's workout is going to be express cardio abs and it truly is one of my favorite routines. So let's get right into it. We are going to start with our feet a little bit more than hip distance apart. Add a little bit of a bounce to it. Inhale and exhale. So in this routine, we're going to get our heart rate up nice and fast while working our core. So let's add those arms, crossing it on over, reaching out in front of you, getting into it right away. Again, adding that bounce with your lower half. Inhale and exhale. Now, the more you twist with this move, the more you're gonna really engage that core. So twist and reach, reach. Great. Now let's take those arms up and over. Wonderful. Getting a little bit of that side body, just waking that body up. Stretch. Great. For 4, 3, nice work. And same movement, taking those fingertips to those shoulders. Let's get a little bit of a twist right here. So fingertips right here, tapping those shoulders, hold it right there, and twist. Again, your lower half is still moving. Pivot that foot just a little bit to twist those hips. Great. Breathe in and exhale. Almost there. Now, on this last one, we're coming down for a windmill. Touch that toe, back up, and making sure your arms, straighten them out. Coming windmill. Let's speed it up. Here we go. Get on down there. You got it. Keeping that core tight the entire time. Keep breathing. Inhale through that nose. Just slowly getting that heart rate up right here. Nice work. For 3, 2, and 1, coming right up. Plie squat position. So just shift those feet out just a little bit with your hands right behind your head. We're holding that plie squat down, and we're just gonna come from side to side, side crunch it out. Beautiful. Now, really making sure you're cinching in that side belly. You're staying low and bringing it on up. You're coming here, you're cinching it back in to get to center. With good posture, of course. Great. Inhale, exhale. Get even lower. If you're not feeling it enough, get lower right here. Great. Try to get your elbow all the way to your knee. Feeling a little bit in your inner thighs as well. Here we go. 4, 3, 2. We're gonna stand up on this last one, but leave your hands behind your head, coming right here for a nice standing crunch. Awesome work, you guys. Standing march right here, hands behind your head, opening up that chest, trying to get that lower belly involved. Getting those knees up, using those lower abs. Awesome. Great work, y'all. One of my favorite cardio ab moves, standing crunches. You got it. Great for low impact as well. Not too hard on the joints. Nice work. Keep those hands behind your head. 3, 2, 1. We're gonna cross, but only one side, okay? So cross and twist at the top. Wonderful. Great for your obliques. Exhale every crunch. Cross crunch and exhale. Twist a little bit at the top. Wonderful. Nice work. Woo! Here we go. 2 more. Keeping those hands behind your head and switching up this last one. Let's twist the opposite side and pull through. Opposite knee to elbow. Driving it towards your chest. Beautiful. Twist and drive. Great. Two more. Woo! Finish it strong. And relax. Relax and step to the end of your mat. Roll out your shoulders. How are we feeling so far? We're gonna take it up a notch, all right? So, what I want you guys to do is first just walk your hands down into a high plank position. When you're here, you're holding that high plank. We have 4 mountain climbers. 1, 2, 3, 4. Walking your hands right back up. Wonderful. We're going back down. A high plank, hold. 1, 2, 3, 4. Awesome. Let's keep repeating that. Rolling up each vertebrae at a time. And right back down. Squeeze those cheeks at the top. Coming on down. Always make sure you're set in that high plank position. Great. I'm proud of you. Let's keep crushing it. Squeeze your abs extra tight. Nice work. All right, last one. We're staying in that high plank position. So wherever you are, stay in that high plank. Awesome. Hold. Beautiful. Hold, hold, hold. And relax. As you guys relax, taking these elbows to the mat, coming back into an elbow plank right there. I want a hip dip to each side. So hip dip it out. You got it. Here we go. Gently tapping your hip to each side. Nice work. You got this, y'all. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Let's swing around onto our booties. Okay, you guys. What we have next, we are gonna come into a bicycle, one of my favorite cardio ab moves. So slowly come on down, holding right there. Catch your breath, hands again behind your head. I want you guys to come into a bicycle, opposite knee to elbow. Let's rock. You got it. Keep breathing. Nice work, y'all. Crush it. I'm proud of you guys. Really drive that knee towards the opposite elbow. Work those obliques. Beautiful. 8, 7, 5, 3, 2, 1. Relax. As you guys relax, pick yourselves on up, holding at the top right here. Inhale. As you guys exhale, pick up those feet off the mat. One of my other favorite cardio ab moves. Push those feet out. V in. Let's rock again. You got it. Beautiful. Really driving those knees towards your chest. If you guys need to hold for a hot sec at the top and just float those feet on the mat, but if you can meet me right here, let's do it. Nice work. You got this. Crushing that core for 8, 7, 6, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Holding right here. Catch your breath. Inhale. As you exhale, pick up that booty up off the mat. And I want little baby tricep dips right here. So let's work our upper body just a little. Tricep dips. We're gonna make it a fun cardio move. One of my favorites. All right? Are you ready? We're gonna kick it up. Try to take your hand to your opposite foot. In 3, 2, or right here if you can. In 1. Tricep, tap. Now, if you can't get all the way up there, right here is totally okay. Pick up that foot. Here we go. Nice work. I'm proud of you. Nice work. Crush this move. 6 more. Finish it, baby. And relax. As you guys relax, catch your breath, coming right back down. Holding right here with your hands behind your head. What I want you guys to do is little baby sit-ups. So get on up there, sit-ups just like this. We're holding and pulsing for 12, 11. Finish it and continue that exhale. Feel that breath coming in and out of your belly. Beautiful. Awesome work, you guys. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now we're lifting one leg up straight in the air, opposite hand, toe tap, right back down. Cross suitcase crunch. You got it. Picking those shoulders up off the mat. Beautiful work, you guys. Wonderful for those obliques. And exhale every time. Nice work. Get higher up off the mat. 3 more on this side, and then we're switching. And let's switch. Great, opposite arm, straight leg, hand behind your head. Let's crush it. Beautiful, almost there. 3, 2, and 1. Grabbing onto those knees, swaying from side to side. We have 3 ball roll-ups to standing next. So what that looks like is 1, meet me in standing, and 2, use that momentum, and come on up. Nice work, you guys. Take a nice deep breath in. And as you exhale, last move right here to finish it strong. I want straight arms, standing crunches from side to side. Beautiful. Nice work, you guys. Really stretching it out, lengthening those fingertips right here. Getting that knee all the way up there. Great. How are we feeling? We feeling good? We feeling energized? I hope so. Not too hard on the body, just something to strengthen that core. Maybe right before you hit the beach, maybe right before you hop like off an airplane or anything like this. Great also if you want to just do a quick workout in the morning to get your heart rate up a little bit, feeling in your ab strength. 2 and 1. Relax. Shake it off, shake it off, shake it off. You guys crushed that workout. Thank you so much for joining me. That was your Express Cardio Abs. I love you guys, and I'll see you at your next daily workout.